The 5th China International Import Expo is scheduled for November 5th to 10th in Shanghai. A Pakistani expert has said that expos like CIIE showcase China's commitment to further opening up its massive market for shared growth.
China's continuous holding of expos is linked to their broader economic plan for the region and for the world. China is trying to be responsible, and through these expos, China is opening itself up to other countries, and it's also giving alternatives to other economies that are entrenched with other countries. You see, China is constantly trying to remodel itself where it needs to, so that other countries can be, more attracted towards trade with China.
According to Sardar, the expo also represents an opportunity for Pakistan.
The CIA in Shanghai represents an opportunity for Pakistan to showcase what it can offer to the world, and also to basically understand what China can offer Pakistan further. It's a two-way street. China has been trying to help regional countries integrate with each other. And whether it's through a project or through financial means, been trying to build up economics. Economics is the key. Other things will follow once economics is in place.